Hello, my name is Gisette Karina Gonzalez Pinto. I am a student System Engineering at the Open and Distance University. This video is for the subject English B1. My tutor is Daniel Moreno. Document. Chapel and Museum of the Santa Clara Real. The convent of Santa Clara del Real is the first convent established in the New Kingdom of Granada. The Church of the Santa Clara is a temple begun at the end of the 16th century in the urban center of the Tunja. House of the founder Gonzalo Suárez Rendón. It is a museum located in the eastern area of the Plaza de Bolívar in Tunja. It is the most characteristic architecture show of the private residence of the 16th century, of the private history of the Tunja. Aristaic is the first since the Hispanic foundation of Tunja. Santiago de Tunja Metropolitan Basilica Cathedral. It is the oldest Catholic cathedral church in Colombia. It was a very simple church made of the models, materials, and converse with a thatched roof. It was built in the Plaza Mayor at the founding of the city, so that the Augustinian priests Fray Vicente Requejada officialized the first mass on the 1539. Thank you.